Morning, everyone.
Here, reputation and precision meet inside a globally trusted facility.
Morning. Ready for today's schedule.
Visitors are arriving later.
Beneath the surface, decades of craftsmanship shape every achievement.
Safety first before production.
Beyond appearances, preparation reduces risks across every department.
Within seconds, countless systems coordinate to maintain precision.
Everything looks ready.
Let's begin the next stage.
Here, transportation ends and transformation begins inside engineered environments.
Bring these pallets to inspection.
Here, certified sources guarantee traceable metals before manufacturing begins.
Store these in section 3.
Inside, environmental control prevents contamination and preserves material integrity.
Weight readings are correct.
Beneath appearances, purity determines future strength and durability.
Everything stays organized.
At this stage, organization minimizes errors before processing begins.
Batch records are complete.
Under controlled conditions, records ensure accountability across production. Proceed to the next section.
Processing begins tomorrow morning.
Here, collected resources approach the transformation that defines champions.
Unload carefully and verify quantities.
Within seconds, supporting metals influence final appearance and strength.
Across the line, synchronized systems preserve quality and efficiency.
Move everything to preparation.
Here, raw materials approach their first crucial purification process. Phase 4 took initial cleaning and sorting.
Begin material preparation procedures.
Here, careful handling prevents contamination before precision manufacturing begins.
Move racks into drying.
Within seconds, moisture removal protects future finishing operations.
Separate according to specifications.
Beyond the surface, classification ensures reliable downstream processes.
Storage records are complete.
Across the line, organization prevents costly production interruptions.
Operations begin now.
Start the first pressing cycle.
Here, immense pressure begins shaping metals with remarkable precision.
These guys meet specifications.
Maintain even spacing.
Inside, consistency prevents defects during later operations.
Pressure remains stable.
At this stage, force transforms flat metal into structure.
Cutting depth remains accurate.
Under controlled conditions, details emerge with exceptional consistency.
Batch numbers are...
Across the line, traceability protects quality and accountability.
Send everything to finishing.
Here, shaped components advance toward their recognizable form.
Begin the polishing sequence.
Here, surface refinement prepares metals for prestigious finishing stages.
Surface consistency remains excellent.
Now, smooth surfaces enhance durability and visual quality.
Surfaces meet standards.
Beneath appearances, tiny flaws can affect championship prestige.
Maintain edge precision.
Embossing depth is correct.
At this stage, craftsmanship transforms metal into symbolic recognition.
Cleaning cycle remains stable.
Beyond the surface, cleanliness determines coating performance later.
Automation sequence starts now.
Here, advanced automation elevates consistency beyond manual limits.
Automation sequence is stable.
Here, automation delivers repeatable precision beyond manual capability.
Identification codes are complete.
Inside, traceability strengthens authenticity and long-term accountability.
Rejected pieces are isolated.
Within seconds, separation protects quality across entire production.
Polishing quality remains stable.
Beyond the surface, finishing quality influences lasting visual appeal.
Production targets remain on schedule. Yeah.
Under controlled conditions, monitoring prevents unexpected interruptions.
Final finishing procedures begin.
Here, advanced engineering prepares metals for their final identity.
Chemical balance remains stable.
Now, chemical precision influences coating quality and consistency.
Immersion timing looks correct.
Protection layer is complete.
Within seconds, invisible protection preserves brilliance for decades.
Ribbon components are ready.
Beyond the surface, presentation enhances symbolic significance.
Assembly alignment remains accurate.
Under controlled conditions, consistency defines championship presentation.
Send everything to quality control.
Here, science confirms whether craftsmanship meets world standards.
Begin the final inspection cycle.
Traceability records are complete.
Now, accurate records guarantee accountability across global events.
Batch records have been updated.
Across the line, documentation maintains accountability and consistency.
Surface quality remains flawless.
Inside, microscopic imperfections can compromise lasting prestige.
Coating levels are stable.
At this stage, protective layers ensure decades of durability.
Composition matches specifications.
Within seconds, chemistry confirms material authenticity and consistency.
Drying temperatures are stable.
Stress results remain acceptable.
Packaging operations can begin.
Here, approved metals prepare for their journey worldwide.
Seal integrity looks perfect.
Inside, secure packaging protects products during global transport.
Begin the packaging process.
Here, presentation transforms craftsmanship into ceremonial excellence.
Inventory records are updated.
Within seconds, logistics systems organize worldwide distribution.
Prepare the outbound shipment.
Beyond the surface, timing keeps international deliveries dependable.
Shipment documentation is complete.
Under controlled conditions, transport safeguards irreplaceable achievements.
Welcome to the production facility.
Across the line, synchronized arrivals sustain continuous production.
Authorization confirmed. Proceed inside.
Under controlled conditions, every delivery follows strict verification protocols. At this stage, logistics networks connect global manufacturing ecosystems.
Safe journey to Milan.
Beneath appearances, timing.
Prepare the finishing area.
Across the line, timing maintains balance between speed and precision.
Beyond the road, specialized facilities await precise materials.